Hi girls, so today I'm going to be doing a what's in my purse / bag video, and as you can see, this is my bag, and I have a little keychain right over here, so cute. And I got this purse from Walmart for a couple dollars. I just need something small to carry my stuff around in. And let's get started. So first I have my little happy sack with a little flower. Isn't it so cute? I love this. It's so fun to play with when I'm stressed. And then I always make sure that I have a glasses cleaner packet in my glasses if it's raining or if it's storming or anything like that. And then also if I'm at a friend's house, I really need a comb after I shower. So I always make sure that I have a comb in my purse. And then I always have a case because if I have something that I do not want to get ruined, I put it in here. And I made this out of duct tape. And inside it's pink zebra. And then it has a zebra bow. And then in the back it has an extra pocket. And then I keep hair stuff in my bag. So first of all, I keep this cute little flower clip in my hair. For my hair in my bag, and I got this at Walmart as well. And then if it's a really hot day or if I'm at school and I need something to put my hair in, I keep this headband, and it's flower pattern, and it's really pretty. And then if I'm doing my hair when I'm not at the house, I need a clip. So that's what that's for. And then I carry at least one bobby pin in my bag in case I need to pin some hair out of my face or if I just need to pin my hair back. And then I keep an easy comb in my bag also because those are really good to quickly put in my hair and pull it back, or if I want to do a quick updo if something comes up last minute. And then I keep hair tie galore in my bag. Like, I have a lot of hair ties in my bag. And that is because some of my hairstyles need need a lot of hair ties, so that's what those are for. And then always make sure I have an emergency pencil, because if I go somewhere and I need a pencil, that's good to have. And then, in case somebody spills on me, or if I just for some reason stink, lol, I have these two perfume samples for Taylor Swift Wonderstruck and Taylor Swift Wonderstruck Enchanted. And then I always keep at least one necklace in my purse in case I need to just bling myself up a little bit. And then, finally, I keep a glasses case in my bag for sleepovers. And then I keep a brush in my purse. You're probably wondering, how do you get all that in that bag? It's actually really not that hard. And then if I am going somewhere, I will put in one of my favorite books. I love Percy Jackson. It's the most awesomest thing ever. Although right now, Divergent's kind of beating it. I love that series. And that is pretty much what is in my bag, and pretty soon there will be an update on it, and I will see you guys later. Talk to you guys soon.